Hello guys, we were going to paint our wall today, but there's something missing. What's missing from the wall? Paint, correct! If we're going to paint the wall, we need someone who can paint anything. Someone who has a little good rhythm. Do you know who has a little good rhythm? That's right! It's Spencer the Painter!
If you need a little rhythm, call Spencer. Got a song you wanna give him? Call me, call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can play you anything. If you need a little rhythm, call Spencer. Got a song you wanna give him? Call me, call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can play you anything. So take a set of car keys, jingle them around. Now we're making music. Just listen to the sound. Take an empty tin can, beat it like a drum. Spencer's making music, and now we're having fun. If you need a little rhythm, call Spencer. Got a song you wanna give him? Call me, call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can play you anything. If you need a little color, call Spencer. Got a picture needing painting? Call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can paint you anything. Fanfares for the trumpets, for flags upon the flagpole. Songs for in the bathtub, go swirling down the plug hole. Rhythms for a dancing, mashing up potatoes. Easy flowing love songs for singing to tomatoes. If you need a little rhythm, call Spencer. Got a song you wanna give him? Call me, call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can play you anything. If you need a little rhythm, call Spencer. Got a song you wanna give him? Call me, call Spencer. We can start at the beginning. Call Spencer. I can play you anything.
Spencer! You finally can make it! Thank you, Mac and Danny Dog 2008. Now we're ready to paint the wall. I can't wait, me too. And we're gonna need your help to paint the wall. Will you help us paint the wall? Great! First, take your imaginary paintbrush. Then, you have to paint the wall. Paint! Paint, paint, paint! Paint, 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 paint! Now the picture looks good. Thank you for helping us paint the wall, and we'll see you in our next season. Bye!